Welcome everyone. In this tutorial we will show you how to install Impeka. First, log in into your dashboard and go under Appearance, Themes. Click Add New, Upload Theme, and choose the theme zip file that you will find in the downloaded zip folder. And click Install Now. Of course, you need to activate the theme, so click Activate. And now we will see Theme Recommended Plugins. Click this button and we will see all Impeka useful plugins. But we will see them later in our next tutorial. Now we will install only Impeka Core extension, that it is a required plugin. So click Install and return to Theme Plugins Installer because we need to activate it. So click Activate and you're done. See you on Impeka Startup Wizard tutorial. Thank you for watching.